Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to learn about or we are going to discuss about am is are, where you can use am is are and what are the rules of English grammar. Okay, so I suggest and I believe that grammar is important in speaking English, because if you want to speak correct English and if you want to be fluent in English, then you have to input this language in your mind first by listening and by reading. And you have to know, or you are supposed to know, some basic rules of English grammar. Okay? So, learn about grammar rules, educate yourself, grammar rules, so that you can be confident in speaking English. In this video, we are going to learn about am is are, where you can use am is are. Okay, so sometimes we make mistakes using these am is are. So these are verbs, helping verbs. Okay, so am here, firstly we learn about am, so where you can use. So first of all, I want to give you some ideas of subject. So what is subject? Subjects are I, we, they, he, she, it. Okay, I want to repeat it. I, we, they, he, she, it. All these are subjects. Okay, sentences, all these are subjects. I, we, they, he, she, it. And with them, we use am is are. So, where am is used? So, am is used with I only. I am Rakesh. I am Rahul. I am going to write. I am going for shopping. I am tired. I am hungry. I am Nikhil. I am Nitin. I am Shanaya. I am powerful. I am exhausted. I am not going to do this. I am going to meet you. I am going to meet you. So you must have got the idea of where you can use am. Okay? I am your name. You can say your name. I am an engineer. I am a teacher. I am I am working in this office. I am working in this company. Okay? So am is used this way. So next is. So is used with singular subject. He, she, it. Okay? He is going. He is Rakesh. He is an engineer. He is a doctor. He is a teacher. He is a professor. He is a businessman. He is the shopkeeper. He is Nikhil. He is tired. He is hungry. He is very angry. He is exhausted. He is not coming today. He is going to meet her. He is going to meet her. He will come today. Okay? So, with he is used, and with she is used. She is tired. She is Neeta. She is Shanaya. She is Priya. She is a teacher. She is a professor. She is not coming today. She is not coming to meet us. She is hungry. She is Priya. She is my cousin. She is my sister. And next one is it. It is hungry. If you are talking about dog, it is hungry. It is hungry. If we are talking about any things, then it is mine. If you are talking about book, that book is mine, so it is mine. It is yours. It is not good. It is not fair. It is not proper. So with singular subject, you are supposed to use is. He is, she is, it is. Okay? He is, she is, it is, and you can use any name. So Rahul is coming today. Rahul is coming today. Priya is coming today. He is coming today. He is not well. He is not feeling well. He is ill. So I hope that you must have got the idea of usage of is. So next one is are. So are is supposed to use with plural subject. So what are plural subject? We and they are plural subject. Do not force your mind to remember each and every rule of grammar. Okay? Do not force yourself. Do not remember yourself to remember each and every grammar rules. Plural subjects are we and they. We are coming today. We are tired. We are people of India. We are people of India. So here are is used. With we, you are supposed to use are. We are people of India. We are from India. We are Indians. They are Indians. They are Americans. They are from rural India. They are from urban India. They are from city. They are from villages. They are not coming today to meet us. They are not coming today to meet us. Oh, they are late today. They are late today. Oh, sorry, we are late today. We are late today. We are tired. We are hungry. We are powerful people. We are beautiful people. So with we and they, you are supposed to use are. And of course, with you. You is singular subject, but you are supposed to use are with you. With, third person. Second person. You are so beautiful. You are so powerful. You are Rahul. Are you Rahul? Are you his sister? Are you his brother? Are you hungry? Are you tired? You are Seema. You are a student. You are a teacher. You are a professor. Are you a teacher? Are you a professor? Are you his sister? Are you a teacher? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? So with we, they and you are supposed to use are. So we here revise each and every subject with is, am, are. So with am, with I, you are supposed to use am. I am Rahul. I am hungry. I am not coming to meet you. So we can revise each and every am is are with each and every subject. Okay. So am. With I, you are supposed to use am. I am hungry. I am Seema. I am Rahul. I am going to be late. I am not tired. I am tired. I am hungry. I am powerful. I am confident. I am good. I am fine. I am fine. Next one is are. You are Seema. You are tired. Are you tired? Are you coming with me? Are you going to be late today? You are a teacher. Are you a teacher? Are you a professor? Are you an engineer? Are you a professor? You are hungry. So you can eat. You are hungry. Okay? So we are Indians. We are people from village. We are people from urban India. We are late today. We are going to be late today. We are confident. They are confident. They are supposed to come here. They are supposed to come here today. They are tired. They are people from America. They are people from Japan. So with they, you are supposed to use are. We, they, and you. And is are supposed to use with he, she, it, singular subject. He is coming today. He is Rahul. He is my cousin. She is my cousin. She is coming little late today. She is Seema. She is very tired. She is powerful. Oh, she is so confident. She is so powerful. She is so exhausted today. She is not going to meet him. Okay? He is not going to meet her. It is fine. It is good. It is hungry. It is mine. It is going to be fine. Okay? So these are rules of using is, am, is, are. So if you want to learn grammar rules and if you want to correct your grammar, then you have to practice. You have to practice. You cannot just remember rules and be correct your grammar. No, you have to practice with exercise of grammar and in your speaking. So if you want to be fluent in English, then you must know some basic rules of grammar. Okay? So that's it from today from my side. If you want to say anything, you can write in my comment section and you can give any suggestion to make any videos by me. So if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe, do like, do share with your friends and family. I will be meeting you soon with new topic. So till then, bye and keep practicing. You know that if you want to be fluent in English, then you have to start speaking in English. Okay? So bye, take care.